Welcome to the future of spelling. My name is Sir Linkalot, as I like to link a lot. Linking is a fun and easy way to remember things by trying to find a connection. A link! Alright, a link! And it is great for spelling. Believe how good it is for spelling. Come on! That's what it is for spelling, for spelling. It's so good for spelling. Before I start today's lesson, I've got two shoutouts. Shoutouts. The first one up is from 8-year-old Edith for the spelling of table. Table. That's tabler, isn't it? Tabler? Now in French I say table. You've got a chance to hear the blur, the BL there. But table, that could be EL like label or AL like vital. The ending's tricky. And also after the A, table could be AI, AY, hard word. And she spotted a word inside this word. Let's see if you can spot this word. A 4-letter word inside the word table. Let's put you on that clock. Here we go. What did you see? Did you see the word able? Because she did. Here's her piece of work. I'm able to lift the table. Able inside table. Also, she said there's the L of lift as well. And A, second letter. So there's things inside words. Really good stuff. Really good. Nice work, Edith. You got yourself a badge, a pencil, and a shout out. A shout out. Now, I've done a different link with spelling of table, but you pick the one that works. If they both work, great. If not, what do you got? What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? Over to my link for the word table.
Table. If you add the letter T, you get the word tablet, which has the word let at the end.
Mum, let me play with my tablet.
You can, but only if you play with it on the table so that you don't break it.
My impressions of women are so good, aren't they? That voice. Over the table! It's just brilliant, isn't it? It's outrageous. I mean, really, it's just so good. I've chosen the let tablet one because able is, I think, a tricky word to spell. It's like table, really. So I thought I'd better cover the LE bit as well. If you can spell able, then Edith's trick is fantastic. Anyway, pick the one that works for you. The next link is, the next shout out, is from 7-year-old Callum for the spelling of garage or garage. Garage. Which camp are you in? Garage, I'm a garage man. Or garage. Both don't help the spelling. Garage could be GARRIDGE. Garage, I mean, you've got a chance. Garage could be double R, ARG, like barge. Not easy. Tricky. But Callum spotted two small words here. A 1-letter word next to a 3-letter word. There's also a 4-letter word there. Come on. And a 3-letter word as well. Another one. There's so many. So can you find a 1-letter, 2 3-letters, and a 4-letter word? Is that it? I think that's all there is. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. A 1-letter word, 2 3-letter words, and a 4-letter word. You got 5 seconds. Here we go. Did you find all 4? A, brag, age, and rage. He said you often see a rag down at the garage, hanging out of the mechanic's pocket. A rag a rag hanging out the back of the mechanic's pocket. Ah! What a good link that is. Callum, tremendous, 7 years old. Check you out. Keep those links coming. We love a shout out. A shout out. Now, today's lesson number 73, is more things inside words. More things. Levels 1 and 2. We've got words inside words. We've got letters that look like things like the C of handle, the U of cup. For biscuit, the CU. We've got letters that sound like words, like the letter U sounds like you, the word you, Y-O-U, like you out, O-U-T. But we've got other things inside words that can also help their spelling. So, the first one up is new. New, as in not old. Not with a K. Not with a K, okay? New. Never. Oh, that's not easy, is it? Not easy at all. Really difficult. But not anymore! Alright! Good. New. New is inside the word news. If you look at the 4 compass points, they spell the word news. N-E-W-S. And you read about the news in the newspaper from the United Kingdom that is made up of Northern Ireland, England, Scotland, and Wales. There you go. Compass points. I use compass points a huge amount in spelling. Because you know northeast, southwest stuff. Use that for spelling. Lots more of those come up in this lesson, actually. There's another 3 or 4 more of those to do with compass points. Yeah. There you go. N-E-W. North, east, south, west. Northern Ireland, England, Scotland, Wales. How good is that? Come on. Never eat shredded wheat. Never eat soggy Weetabix. Good advice. Never enter Santa's workshop. Very good advice. Naughty elephant squirt water. Never ever support West Ham. Oh, never ever support Wales. Dodgy. West Brom. Oh, Liverpool. Manchester United. Arsenal. Chelsea. Oh, that'll do. That'll do. The next one up is few. Not many. Few. Few. Not as in few, as in not many. So again, the EW, east-west, that's what I've done with it. Now you've got to put that into a sentence. 2 parts of linking. Spotting what's in there, then putting it into a catchy sentence or something you already know. So this fact you may not know, but it'd be good to learn. Over to my link. Few. E for east is next to W for west. On a map of the world, there are many countries to the east of the United Kingdom, but there are only a few to the west. Bit of geography thrown in. You're learning about the world. Linking's great. Not just spelling, it's maths, geography, science. It's anything. Spelling is the opening gambit. When you go from there, lots more after spelling. Loads more stuff. So compass points. We love compass points for spelling. The next one up is these. I like squeeze. Squeeze is a great word. Squeeze. Squeeze is S-Q-U-E-E-Z-E. So these, isn't that T-H-E-E-Z-E? These? Come on. Desi. What? But at the end, so in fact, let's see if we can do this. There's a word at the beginning, and then there's 2 compass points at the end. You've got 5 seconds. Here we go. You spot them, then you put them together into a catchy sentence. And this is what I've done with the word these. Squeeze.
These. The is next to the letter S for south and E for east. In the United Kingdom, these counties of England as a group are called the South East.
Another Another geography fact. The southeast, that's what it's known as. The southeast. The counties that surround London. I think all of them, not all of them touch London, but most of them touch London. The next one up is answer. Answer. Now, some parts of the country, I think they say answer, which makes it better because this R bit at the start, ARNs, down the south of down the southeast, maybe there's parts of the southwest, the R's get, like the word bath or bath, the vowel gets lengthened to being R, the A, because the French, William the Conqueror, 1066, the French came over and they like to lengthen their vowels. They prefer to say bath than bath. But that now makes the spelling tricky. Bath, pretty straightforward. Bath. But now bath, where's the R? Where's the R? Different parts of the country, they say it as bath, which is a lot easier. So answer, you don't put the R in. So I reckon children spelling answer down south, certain parts of the country, if you do a national sort of spelling test, you get answer, you get a lot of children down south who put an R after the A. Why not? And also in the middle. And swear, answer, what's the W? I mean, whoa, come on. But look what I've done. Compass points. Here we go. This is the answer.
Answer. Question. How can the 4 compass points help you with the spelling of the word answer? If you start at the north, then go down to the south, then go to the west, and off to the east, I will give you an A grade and a tick for a correct answer.
North, south, west, east. If you did a plus sign, you go north to south, then you go west to east. Plus. Plus is for something positive. So you get the answer correct. There you go. Is it in? You know it is. Compass points. You've got to love compass points. You've got to love compass points with spelling. So useful. The next one up is read or read. To read a book today, but yesterday I read it. Now surely read is R-E-E-D. And if I read a book like The Colour Red, R-E-D. No, there's an A in both words. There's an A. Well, what do you do? What do you do? This is what you do.
Read. Read and read both contain the letter A, that is the first letter of the alphabet.
As I learnt my ABC yesterday, I read my first book this morning, and I'm going to read my second one this afternoon. I am a very fast reader.
I am a very fast reader. We love Baby. Baby is a complete legend. That's my voice, but my animator speeded it up to sound like a baby. I look like one as well. Perfect Baby. So read and read. Now so the letter A, B, C in the alphabet, the A, B, C. Know your A, B, C. Use that for read. A inside both words. Now, read and read, this is called a homonym. Homonym. NYM, because NYM is a bit like name, nim, which means it's the same letters, they look the same name, same letters, but they're pronounced differently. Whereas a homophone, sound like phone, phonus, sound like telephone, okay, is the same sound, but different spellings, like there and there and there. They are contracted, or poor, and poor. They are homophones. They're all spelt differently, but they sound the same. Whereas homonym, back to homonym, same name, but different sound. So read and read. Whereas a homonym. There you go. The next one up is, in the dentist, R, A-R-E. This one, that E, no. I mentioned this before a couple of times because it's part of the word parent and parliament. But that E, bar, far, jar, and there's one more. Bar, car, far, and jar. A-R, no E. A-R, 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 no E. R, A-R, E-R, come on. What's that? Over to my link.
R. The letters A and E are at the start and end of the word. A and E are the first two vowels.
If you don't know what the 5 vowels are, the order, you do in a second.
The 5 vowels. A, E, I, or A, E, I, O, U. Let's create a girl called Val that sounds like the word vowel by using the 5 vowels. The A is the head and the hair. The E is a winking eye. The I, but upside down, is the nose with a bit of snot under it. Ew! The O is the other eye, and the A is a smiley mouth. A, E, I, O, or A, E, I, O, U.
It's all building blocks. So that ends today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the show. Things inside words. The 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Learning that can help your spelling, definitely. All the compass points. So many of those. So if you've got any links, let me know. Come on. You can get yourself a shout out, a pencil, and one of these. The word move. Move over. Oi! 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 Move over. The O-V-E of over inside the word move. You need to be patient when you're tying a tie. A tie inside the word patient. And if you can't spell tie, I've got a link for that in the app as well. It's all there. Then of course we've got the man himself, Sir Linkalot. So, the name of the app is Sir Linkalot. Is it in? You know it is.